Hi everybody, it's Sue here from the DT team of Indigo Blue, the Bluebirds, and I'm going to do a few short videos to show you how to make a couple of different cards using the same stamp. And the stamp I'm going to use is the new Christmas edition of Ho Ho Ho, which have been on sale lately. Right, so for the first one, I've stamped out the Ho 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 and I've heat embossed it with our super fine embossing glaze. And then what I've done is I've cut the individual letters out, and so I've got them here. Now I think what we'll do with these is colour them with Luscious. So I'm going to use 3 different colours. I'm going to use Blue Moon, the Holly and the Ivy, and Santa's Suit. They're the new editions of Christmas sets. So here's my palette, not as clean as Kay's obviously, but I'm gonna put some more blue in this one, which is the Blue Moon. So I'm adding a little drop of water, and then I'm gonna wet my brush slightly, dip it in the Luscious, put some in, and gently stir it round. What I've got here is a little bit of warm water, as it tends to dissolve a lot easier with a little bit of warm water. Stick another spoonful in and mix it well to a nice creamy consistency. Okie dokie, I think we've got enough in there for that one. Right, that's the Blue Moon. Got my little water brush. Clean my brush, and then we'll have a little bit of the green, which is the Holly and the Ivy. So put a little bit of water in there, take some out, add it to this. It's a beautiful colour, isn't it? See a little bit of duotone going on there, a little bit of gold. That's lovely. Mix that gently. I think another spoon. Again, I give it a nice stir. Maybe a little bit more. You want it to be somewhere about the consistency of single cream. So that's probably a bit better. Okie dokie. Wash my brush. And the last colour is Santa's Suit, which we've got down here. Put a little bit more in there. This is the one I tend to get everywhere, as you can see. There's always one colour. Anyway, that's nice now. Mix that. It's a beautiful colour as well, isn't it? Okay, that's that. Okay, so I think we got a piece of scrap paper to put these on. Right, what should we do first? The blue, I think. I also use this little holly stamp, which comes from the magazine box set, the Christmas one, and inside you can see the little holly thing there. So we'll use this and we'll show you how to stamp it. Get a little bit of thingy, a little bit of one of these. Stamp, 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 stamp. And then we'll go like that. There we go, that's lovely. Put that back over there. And then what I've done, cut them out and dip them in some fucking thingy. And I think we'll paint these with lashes as well. So move our hose over there to dry. Grab my little paintbrush again. This one missing. No, that's not the one. This is the one. Right, so what colour did I use last? Green. Okay. Okay, so this is a piece of card now, which is 9 inches by 3.5 inches. And then we're going to put our little ho. I think we'll have the red one first. Up here like this. Move that over a little bit. There's the ho. And I think we'll have green and we'll have blue on the end. So lay it down like that. That's about right. And it gives us room in the middle then to, oh, each is upside down. To put the hole in the middle, but there. Okay, like that. Yeah, okie dokie. So, And I think we're going to put one of those on there like that. So it sticks over the edge, one on there like that. Then I've got some tiny little gold bows, which I've got from a packet of white bows, which look like this. And then I've coloured it using a Posca pen gold, and then just coloured it. Right, and now I've got a piece of card on here, which is 9.5 by 4.5. And we'll get this and put that on there like that. So I'm going to get my magic tape glider to put around the edge like this. Down the middle. And we're going to put it on here like this, which is the side that's been cut that side yet. So we've got a tiny bit, like a 1/2 inch, all the way around, like that. Okay, so that's our ho 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 card. Then we've got a piece of A4 where we've just scored down the middle and we've chopped a bit off one of the edges, and then we'll fold it over like this. And then we'll see which end is the best, and we'll put this one on there like that. Yep, I think that just about fits again, so we'll have a tiny bit of that on there, done then like that. Oops, the edge. Try not to put your head in the camera. And again, and we want, I'll see it's just about an inch to that side. So we want tiniest bit of, oops, edge on that side. Oh dear. going to go with that, I think. Like that. Okay. And there we've got our Ho 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 card. Well, thanks guys. You can see the shimmer on the thingy now. Lovely. Okay guys, thanks. Take care. Bye bye.